If you're a homeowner here in Concord, California, and you're thinking about selling your home now, one of the biggest questions you're going to have out there is now the right time to sell your home. Many homeowners want to sell their home for top dollar, but if they don't have the right information, they end up listing at the wrong time, they end up listing at the wrong price and really not selling their home for as much as they could have. My job is to help you understand the real estate market here in Concord and make the best decisions that you can. Let's take a look at 4 market trends that'll tell you whether 2026 is the best time to sell your home. Now, the first graph we're looking at shows the monthly average price of homes in the city of Concord. Now, one of the things we want to focus in on, there's a clear trend in the market. We'll see that between April and beginning of June, we have the peak selling season where prices tend to be the highest. Now, if you look at that green line, one of the things you see is in the city of Concord, we see prices trending upwards. So there's a clear sign that we're heading towards a strong peak season. Now let's pop the second slide up here. Now what this is the annual price of homes, annual average price of homes as of February 28th, all the way back from 2017 to current date. We want to see how the year is performing. Now, one of the things that we see is these homes move in unison. So we see one line is Costa, Central Contra Costa, while the other line is Concord, and we see they move together. Now, one of the things that's happened, we're early in the year, so we've sold fewer homes. So sometimes anomalies like homes that sold really high or homes that sold really low affect the movements of these trends. Well, as we get more homes and we get later in the year and we've got more homes we've sold, those larger numbers don't have as big of an effect, and we see that the trends move exactly. The trends on those 2 lines, which is Concord and Central Contra Costa. Now, one of the things we'll see is that Central Contra Costa will move the same as the bigger East Bay. So what ends up happening is most cities in the East Bay, these trends are going to be exactly the same. Now, we'll see some anomalies, but they're rare, and most cities are going to move in the same trend. So what's important about this is pay attention to those trends, not the numbers. Numbers will be different from city to city. Estimates will be different and so forth. We have forecasts that may be different, but one of the things we see is that the trends are going to be exactly the same. So pay attention to the trends. Now, some things that we're seeing in the market is California Association of Realtors is forecasting a 3.6% increase in the price of homes for 2026. Cotality, which was formerly called CoreLogic, is projecting a 4.5% increase in the price of homes in 2026. So one of the things is we kind of expect this peak selling season to be a little bit higher than that. So that's something to look forward to if you're thinking about selling your home. So the third graph we've got here, this is mortgage interest rates for the last 12 months. One of the things we see is mortgage rates is the lowest we've seen in the last 12 months. This is going to make it more affordable for more people to buy homes. This is going to attract more buyers. The more buyers we bring to the market, the more competition we have for homes, the more demand we have for homes, the higher prices we're going to have. This is going to be fueling our peak selling season in 2026. Now, this final graph shows inventory. Now, this is months of inventory since 2021. Now, here's what this is. When we see that 4 in January, that means in the month of January 2026, there was 4 months of inventory available. So that means it would take 4 months for buyers to buy up all the homes that were listed on the market. Now, we've seen that's fallen to 2.9 months. That downward trend and that fall in inventory reduces the number of homes that's on the market. It means that buyers are now, there's more competition for those homes. There's fewer homes on the market and prices are going to go up. All these trends signal that we're heading for a strong selling season in 2026. Now, if you look around the screen, look down below in the description, you're going to see my phone number. If you're considering selling your home in 2026 and you want to sit down and talk about a plan for selling your home for top dollar, give us a ring. Love the opportunity to talk with you. Take great care of yourself. Have a great week. Bye-bye now.